SAVA stock analysis and SAVA stock prediction. Is it a buy or not right now? Watch this very short video. Now it's going to be very brief. It's not going to be like so short like my 1-minute videos. But SAVA stock forecast is just people, or just like SAVA stock today. People are like very confused, and I'm going to show you my approach. Not saying that nothing that's right or wrong, but I'm the only guy that has been doing this for 4 years every single day. All these YouTubers that you're watching right now have started doing this 2 months back. I'm talking 2 months back, and I start to get freaking frustrated because they're charging you freaking $50, $100 per month for Patreon. Things that I'm calling out for freaking free. KULR, you look, started making videos on October. The whole time I was long. Like, you can, if you've been watching with my videos, like, let me show you like one little receipt. Probably have to be this guy. He made 1000x on TNXP. Videos that I'm giving away for free on my YouTube channel. I'm not, you know, this is not behind a paywall here. I'm talking strictly calling things out free. Now, let me just come back to SAVA because I already have my drawings on it, but it seems like it's melting down. Like, is it going to be like this forever? Of course not. Now, coming back into this, I have some lines pointing down, and I will explain exactly my approach to it. Came back into a supply area. Like, this approach that I'm having right now, maybe like a lot of you are probably not going to be familiar with, you know, and you're going to be like, this is, what the hell is this guy doing? Like, this guy does not know how to chart. Yeah, sure, you're correct about everything. You're right about everything, but I'm talking like I need to show this meme because people are just like, then it clicks. People are watching it like right here. I've been there, I've done it. And why do you think that I stopped doing this? This way, you know, this typical freaking 1000 indicators on the chart way. Because I did not see progress at all, you know, and I've been there. I mean, I've been spent thousands of dollars in courses, mentors, documented everything. I'm sharing with you guys, you know, sharing sauce for free. And now I'm talking like we're right here, and people think like this guy's, yeah, right, doing things in silence. But the main approach with SAVA, like, it all began like way back. I mean, this idea, like, it's not new. Like, I'm gonna show you like a video that was made back in January, like a lot earlier, when I really talked about this. SAVA stock, is this the right time to buy? And this video was made like 2 weeks ago, and it's around 330 something. Like, look, I even called out the supply area, and notice what the chart is doing right now. Notice it. And at the time I was sitting at 274. I wanted it to move up into the supply and then come down. Notice what's happening, bro. Like, this is not coincidence. I've done, like, do this for thousands of times, man. Like, and yeah, like, I mean, yes, I've said it, but how am I gonna capitalize? And that's the point here. I was just not behind a chart because this like would have already been a proper shift. But even looking back, we have a supply area, and now, even like looking at it from a lower time frame perspective, the only thing that I care about is maybe the price pulling back, giving me a double break, and then only then I'll take things lower. This might seem like a long way to do things, and it's like so complicated, but I'm telling you, like, I'm not putting these videos behind a paywall, calling it out. This is what's worked for me. Like, it's not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. And obviously, I'm just not waiting for the rules to be met. And more likely than not, it's just gonna come lower. And maybe not give me the rules, and that's fine. You know, that's completely inevitable. That is gonna happen. You're not supposed to be a part of every single movement on the chart. You're not supposed to. And I'm also kind of saying this out to myself, constantly kind of repeating myself. Because, you know, now you have this flawed paradigm. I mean, I'm not going to get into it, but I'll just do whatever works for you. This is not financial advice. It's all my 2 cents. You know, you see there's all these ticker symbols on the side. And that's the watch list. And if you see your ticker symbol that you're also kind of eyeing, there's going to be a video out on my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and check it out. But like, I mentioned this, you know, KULR 1800% calls out for free on my YouTube channel. It's crazy. It's crazy money. Like, this is life changing. You know, imagine you 18x your money. Yeah. And put that behind a paywall? Nah, sorry, no, it's not me. You know, I'm not gonna charge you guys $100 for behind a paywall. Now, coming back here, searching SAVA, probably we see something. Yes. Something like, this is 2023. I'm talking like, saw your video. Things have already been cooking since there, but it's been short. And the only thing, like, I'm not going to be short forever, of course. It really depends now whether you're looking at it from like a hard time perspective, lower time perspective as well. But the only thing that really matters is the shift here. Now, obviously, fundamentals play a huge role. Total addressable market, you know, really the business behind this ticker symbol. I mainly am looking for days that are swing trade opportunities, but also like long-term investments. And I'm talking right now, probably I'm gonna kind of hold off, you know, because now look what I'm looking at, you know. What does the chart say? It says that I'm not potentially bullish, and why would I deviate from the plan? You know, again, it's a sign of it, like intelligence. Like if you change your behavior, and it's like good behavior, and like you're learning using the freaking things that you've learned, and learning things not to do, you know, as well as learning things to do. And then if you're not changing your behavior, it's just like a lower sign of intelligence. And I'm saying this in the nicest ways possible. The only thing you can do is just change your behavior, and that's it. Doesn't matter if you feel FOMO, if you feel JOMO, which is joy of missing out. Because there's a big thing people don't understand. There's JOMO here in the markets. Bro, even like if you're on the sidelines, you're ahead of, I would just say 50% of the people, because half of it, like on average, lose money, people, you know? More than half, you know, this is trading, so probably like around 80, 70, 80%, 90. But even just by staying break even, you're ahead of the curve of some people. But obviously, if you want to make money, you got to risk, so you cannot just stay on the curve forever. And even like getting inside this trade, if my rules are met, there's two games in trading. First, getting inside a trade EM. Second, managing the trade EM. So, you know, I got to keep an eye on both. I'm gonna have bro, I've spent like thousands of hours on this stuff, you know. So yeah, if you want a shortcut, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description, you can check it out. Not charging you $50 for a Patreon, it's free. And Janmi, however you pronounce that guy's name, he's made $540 last week. Obviously it's like more than a week ago, but I'm just saying this is a testimonial. Like this guy here that made, like, I gotta have that testimonial as well, like 1000% with TNXP. All things for my free YouTube videos, you know, like I don't charge you for this. I don't have a paywall for $100 per month. No, it's all freaking raw here. So that's about how SAVA looks like. Obviously, I'm not in a rush to force any shorts here. And it's not like this forever. It's only for now. And I'm trying to be realistic. I know like people are talking, yeah, buy now, buy this. I mean, I'm not against it. Like do whatever works for you, but I'm just sticking to something. Like even from the video that I showed you previously here, dude, like, how's the chart moving? Does it move how I said it was going to move? Yes, it is. So, you know, there you go. So it's obviously not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. Again, I'll have to say, there's a free newsletter that I say every single day, value sauce for 2,500 simple traders. And if you have any questions, I would really appreciate it if you just comment them down below, because I really want to hear your thoughts. I read every single one of the comments. And your feedback matters a lot. Like SAVA, like what's your thoughts? Like other people like you are gonna watch this video, why would I buy? You know, like things matter. So comment down below. See you in the next one. Goodbye.